mesmo sendo de aço inoxidável, ela deu uma travada lá.
So this is a 5-suite villa in Bouganville. This is the epic entrance with the moat and straight into the living room, which has 220 meters square. Here's the dog. It's home theatre. The corridor leading down to some of the bedrooms. And this is the living area with a gourmet kitchen for entertaining guests. The house itself has 650 meters square, overlooking the garden with a pool. Have a separate kitchen. Just walking through here. Beautiful area here, surrounded by forest. In a very quiet residential community, gated community. There is a fully equipped gym downstairs with an extended garden. We're about 1 kilometre from the centre of downtown Pipa. I'll just show you one of the suites. Walk through closet and then entrance to the property. This is one of the most luxurious homes in Pipa and is now available for sale. It's immaculately designed, beautifully taken care of, owned by a family from Sao Paulo, very well-known journalist, sports journalist. And we are here to show you whenever you come to Pipa.